Hi everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to change Facebook page name. So first thing is you open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account. Once you're done, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the right side. That is the profile picture available right now. Tap that option. Now once you're at this page, what you need to do over here is you need to tap on the setting icon on the side. Tap that. It will direct you to the page setting. Tap that page setting option. And you need to tap on the name on the first. Tap on name, which will give you the option to change your name of your Facebook page. So current name is TechLog. So if you want to change it to different one, you tap on the text box. Tap on backspace on your keyboard. This will remove the name from the, and after that you can provide a new name for your Facebook. So I'm gonna type in a different name. Then you need to tap on review change. Tap that. So before you make these changes, what you need to do is you need to provide your password for the account. Type in the password on the text box. Then tap on save changes. And with that, your name will be changed right away. You cannot make this change for another 7 days. Only after 7 days you will be able to make a change to your Facebook page. You can see the change in name in the Facebook page. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.